How to use Google Authenticator app. Now, first thing you want to do is you have to download the application through Play Store if you're using an Android device. Just go to your Play Store app and type in Google Authenticator apps. Now, once you download and install it, all you have to do is pull up the Authenticator app. Now I'm gonna be using second phone right here because this app is super secured and it's not allowing to record on screen. So once you are on this page, all you have to do is click or press get started. Now, you will be choosing two options, either to use your current email address, your Google email address, or you can use without an account. So let's try to use our own email address. Now from here, you'll have two options. It's either add a code or change account. You can also click the three lines here to see how the apps works, view in dark mode, transfer account, settings, and so on and so forth. Now, if you click on add a code, all you have to do is choose either to run a QR code or to enter and set up a security key. If you scan a code, you just have to over a QR code and then it should be working. And then if you use set up a key, you add the account name, your key, and the type of key, and then tap add. So that's how to use Google Authenticator application.